Have you ever wondered why people always say it takes 21 days to change your life? Why not 20 days or 30? Today, I'm breaking down the truth behind this number. And trust me, this isn't your usual just stick to it for 21 days advice. What I'm about to share will completely change the way you think about building habits. Let me get real for a second. A couple of years ago, I was stuck in a loop, starting new goals, failing, and then feeling frustrated with myself. It wasn't until I understood the true power of the 21-day framework that everything changed for me. And this isn't just a random number. It's based on real science. Back in the 1950s, a plastic surgeon named Dr. Maxwell Maltz made a surprising discovery. He noticed that it took his patients around 21 days to get used to their new faces after surgery. That simple observation led to years of research on habit building. Today, studies at University College London confirm that while building a habit fully takes time, those first 21 days are critical. Why? Because this is when your brain starts creating new pathways, literally rewiring itself for success. Here's how you can make those 21 days work for you. 1. Start small and win. Often imagine a famous general preparing for battle. He doesn't fight the biggest enemy first. He wins smaller fights to build momentum. Your habits are the same way. Don't overwhelm yourself with huge goals. Want to exercise more? Don't aim for an hour a day. Start with 10 or 15 minutes. Small wins build confidence. 2. Set a clear 21-day target. Don't just say, I want to eat healthier. Be specific. For the next 21 days, I'll have a salad with dinner every night. When you give your goal a clear target, it feels more achievable. 3. Cut out the noise. Here's the truth. You can't fully focus on change if you're surrounded by distractions. For these 21 days, put yourself in a bubble. Silence those social media notifications. Say no to plans that pull you off track. Make this time about you. It's not forever, just enough to build momentum. 4. Start each day with gratitude. Every morning, take a minute to think about what's already going right in your life. Whether it's your health, your loved ones, or even just the chance to try again, being grateful shifts your mindset. Gratitude fuels motivation like nothing else. 5. Remember your why. Who's rooting for you? Maybe it's your family, a close friend, or even your future self. When you feel like giving up, remind yourself why you started. Your transformation isn't just about you. It's about inspiring others to believe that change is possible. Now here's my challenge. Pick one area of your life to focus on. Just one. Use these 5 steps for 21 days. Not 15, not 19. Commit to the full 21. Track your progress, stay consistent, and see what happens. Are you ready to take that first step? Let's rewrite your story, one day at a time.